This video, we're going to cover the custom CSS inside WishList member, so advanced options CSS. And this is related to registration forms, and whether it's the registration form on the WishList member sort of magic page, or you're embedding one into a page. It also has to do with, say, the instruction box and the login form, etc. The main widget that WishList member uses. And so forth, and the login merge code, etc. So the basic idea here is that this is the place you would want to come if you want to edit the CSS for any of those forms. Okay, and you'll see that we kind of have this chunked out. So this is the CS code for the registration form. So this is the main registration form table, existing members login table, registration error messages. It kind of tells you what each thing is for. Main instruction box, number bullets, and then down here we have the main widget enclosure. This is the main login merge code. We don't have any styles in there, but if you wanted to edit those, this is the class, the main class you would need to target. Okay, so you can put your custom CSS in here. We give you a place to do that. You don't have to. You can, if you want to use a CSS plugin or you want to do it in your theme, etc. You can certainly do that as well. But this will at least give you a starting point. Even if you want to use one of those other plugins or a theme you put in your theme, you can at least come here and see some of the different classes that you'll need to target when it comes to your CSS. Now, this is an advanced option. So if you're not familiar with CSS and not really sure what to do with this, then it's probably best to sort of steer clear of this, or maybe find someone who does know what this is and so forth. So this is an option that you have to come in here and edit, but we've made it available for you in case you want to do that.